Welcome to Coindcx. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is accessible at https://trustwallet.com. This platform serves as a cryptocurrency wallet, empowering users to securely store and manage their digital assets. Trust Wallet supports a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, spanning popular choices like Bitcoin and Ethereum to a vast selection of altcoins and tokens. The platform prioritizes user security, employing robust measures to safeguard user funds. Private keys are stored locally on the user's device, enhancing protection against unauthorized access. This decentralized approach puts users in complete control of their assets. Trust Wallet also offers a built-in decentralized exchange (DEX) feature, enabling seamless trading of cryptocurrencies directly within the application. This eliminates the need to transfer funds to external exchanges, streamlining the trading process and minimizing potential security risks. Furthermore, Trust Wallet supports staking and decentralized finance (DeFi) functionalities, enabling users to participate in various yield-generating activities. Through integration with the wider blockchain ecosystem, Trust Wallet provides access to a diverse range of DeFi protocols and opportunities. Beyond these core functionalities, Trust Wallet provides a user-friendly interface designed for accessibility, even for those new to the world of cryptocurrency. The intuitive design simplifies complex processes like sending and receiving crypto, making it easier for users to manage their digital assets effectively. With its comprehensive feature set and commitment to security, Trust Wallet has positioned itself as a versatile and reliable tool for anyone seeking to engage with the evolving landscape of digital currencies. In summary, Trust Wallet empowers users with control, security, and a broad spectrum of functionalities for managing their crypto assets, from secure storage to active participation in the decentralized finance ecosystem.